Hi, I'm Adam.
I'm Michelle.
And I'm Jane, and we are playing Pandemic.
We've got our game all set up, and today, while we play Pandemic, we'll be fighting off all of these diseases and hopefully eradicating all of them. I'll be playing today as the medic.
I will be playing as the researcher.
And I will be the dispatcher, which gets to move everybody else around the board.
I have the largest city, so I will be going first. All right, I've noticed that we have got a lot of cubes over here in red.
Oh.
So this is gonna be trouble, I think.
Yeah,
I think
Asia is doing the worst.
Yeah, I
compared
think
to
I
everyone
should
else.
probably use this to fly to Osaka
Yeah.
to take care of some of those, especially since I'm the medic. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, there we go. There. Okay, so that's one of my 4 actions. I'm going to come here for action number 2, remove all of these for action number 3. Because I'm the medic, I can remove all of them for 1 action. So it's 3. I wish I could do
move to
more.
Shanghai.
I
Or
think
just be
I'm
ready.
gonna move to Shanghai for next time. Okay, so my turn is done, and I draw 2 of these cards. We've got Madrid. Okay, that's good. And we got Sao Paulo. Those are both good.
Okay, great.
So next thing we need to do is we need to spread the illness. So we have got a new illness pop up in Santiago,
Santiago,
Toronto.
Toronto. Jane's ability in the game is to be able to hand other people cards of any city straight to them, which is really beneficial because to be able to cure any of these diseases, we need 5 of one color to be able to turn them in to cure that disease. And so Jane having any cards and being able to hand them off to us allows us to find the cures for the diseases.
So I think I'm going to hand you this.
Okay, so
For action 1.
Istanbul.
For action 2, I will move to Mexico City.
Oh, you can't go there, there's no
Yeah, you have to
Oh.
follow the lines.
To Chicago, I suppose. And for my 3rd, to Los Angeles. And then I will be going to Sydney, which maybe I did not want to go there.
Instead, you could have gone to San Francisco.
Yes.
And then
And
either
then
to Manila or
gone
Tokyo.
to Tokyo.
Okay.
And
So that was 4
draw my
actions.
2. Ho Chi Minh City.
Ho Chi Minh City.
Ho Chi Minh City. And New York. Great.
Ooh.
All right.
Ooh.
So Jane has
That's
3
good.
blues. If he can get 2 more blues, he can cure blue. And it makes it easier for curing everything else.
Okay, the infection here
No,
is in
Riyadh.
Riyadh.
It's going to be our first
And
one.
our second one, which we stop at, is Chicago.
Chicago. Nice.
Right out
Yes.
here. Okay.
It's good to see not red.
So I'm
Yes.
a dispatcher, so I
Very
can
good.
move other people. Move any pawn to another city containing a pawn for 1 action. So I will do my dispatcher's action to help Jane get closer to here. So that's
Good.
just 1 action. I can move him over. So there's 1 action, 2, 3, and 4. So I can get to Madrid, but I can't do anything about it.
Okay.
So that is it. So I will draw my 2. I have a special event card. So these can be used on anybody's turn at any time. This particular one is airlift, and it allows us to just airlift somebody off to a completely different city. And for my
And your
second
second card.
is Bogota,
Oh,
which
good,
is
good.
another yellow. Now you do have a
Nice.
maximum amount of cards that you can have, and that I believe is 7.
Yes.
Three. and
Okay,
4 for
yes,
the king
here you
disease.
go.
Thanks, Jane. I've got
And-
so many cards.
So that's all.
Yeah,
You used
I
all
gave
your
you 4
actions to hand
cards.
them,
Okay,
right?
let's
So-
see what we
My
get.
first card is Algiers.
Okay, I do have.
And my
3
second
blocks.
one is. Ooh!
It's an epidemic!
So when epidemic cards come out, we take the bottom card from the stack here, and this is the new supercharged infected city. It is Chennai. So we put 3 cubes on Chennai. And unfortunately now we put that into the discard pile. We shuffle the discard pile, and that will become our new draw deck going forward, which means that the only cities we're going to draw for the next, I don't know, maybe 10 rounds
Are the cards that we've already taken.
Alright, so
We also need to up the infection rate. Can you do that for me, Jane?
Here.
Yep,
Yep.
right there.
now currently we're still just drawing 2 every time, but as the
Yikes.
infection rate increases, we might have to draw 3 or 4 cards at a time.
However, when
Okay.
the infection rate
Okay,
gets
so
too high,
Paris.
we lose.
Okay,
So-
our first card is Paris.
Paris already has 3 cubes on it.
Ooh, that's an outbreak.
Yep. So Paris already has 3 cubes on it. Anytime a city has 3 cubes and needs to get another cube, we have to put a cube on every adjacent city that that city can get to. It's an outbreak. And we also moved this tracker 1 to show that we had 1 outbreak. So next.
Yes, and also, if we get down to the end of the outbreak, we will lose.
Yep.
If we run out of these cards, we will lose. And if we run out of any of these cubes, we lose. The only way for us to win is to cure all 4 diseases.
Okay, that was 2.
Oh
This doesn't happen a lot because you do actually spread these out throughout the game. But
Oh,
we have a second
no.
epidemic. And so that means we will be taking this card, which is Washington, and putting 3 on that one. We increase our infection rate 1.
I'm not
We're
good
gonna
at
take
shuffling cards.
our
up to you.
discard pile and shuffle our 3 cards
Oh.
together, and then we will be drawing
Washington.
for 1. So Washington will outbreak right here. So we'll go on New York City, Atlanta, Toronto. And even though Miami is a yellow, it will receive a blue one.
Ouch. And then we have to do one more, which is Toronto.
And
Oh no.
Toronto is another outbreak.
And since it will have to go into Washington, it triggers another outbreak because of Washington.
Yep, so Washington will also outbreak over to New York.
But it won't double outbreak on
Miami,
Toronto, so that's
and
good.
Atlanta. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
That was
We have to get you over there more.
that was my
Okay,
first that was my
on-
first draw.
Oh no. Well, it
So-
won't be another epidemic. That's
Okay.
too close together. Okay, so oh my goodness. I just realized we only have 1 blue cube
We only have
left.
one-
I've got an idea. If Dai uses his airlift to get you over there,
I think we're
That
gonna
is- that is
we're gonna
true,
need
that
to
is
do
true.
it. We're
Okay,
gonna need
so
to do
I'm
it.
gonna use
Okay.
my airlift. It is going to airlift Mama to here.
Okay. Good idea,
So
Jane.
that way she could be at the research station.
Okay. So for my turn, I'm gonna turn in these 5 cards, and that gives us the cure for blue.
Yep.
So as the medic, when I have the cure for something, I don't even have to use an action. I just walk through and everyone is healed because I'm basically Jesus now.
Yeah.
And
So Atlanta should
so
be
Atlanta
cured.
is free from disease, and we have some blue cubes back,
Perfect.
which is huge bonus.
Okay, so
so
you
I've
used
used
1
1.
action.
Okay, I'm gonna go 2,
nice.
3, 4, and this is definitely the best way to go.
Okay.
Perfect.
And if
Yay.
there is at some point in the game, if a disease is cured and there are no cubes of it on the board, then that color cannot come back onto the board.
Yep, it's
the-
eradicated. That's really the best way to go.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I need my 2 cards. I have got Beijing and Jakarta.
Four.
Okay.
Perfect.
Once those get back into the deck,
Yeah.
that will be okay. Sydney and special
government
event. Government grant. Add a research station to any city for free.
So research stations are these little cubes, and so far all we have right now is Atlanta. But the only way you can cure a disease is if you trade in your 5 cards at one of those stations. And the only way to normally build one is to discard a current city that you're standing on, and then you can build one of those stations. So the government grant is pretty powerful because we can kind of place one wherever we deem fit.
So for my turn, I am gonna come over here to Madrid, and blue is now eradicated. So we will never see another blue cube, which is fantastic. Okay, so that was one thing. I gotta do some more stuff. I think I'll go 2, 3, and then take these off for number 4.
Oh, that sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we get. Johannesburg
Okay.
and an epidemic.
Of course.
Oh,
Hopefully it's a blue.
this
Hopefully.
moves
It is
up.
Kinshasa.
It's a yellow.
Right there.
Okay.
Okay, so now with the infection rate increase to 3, we have to draw 3 cards
Yep.
every turn.
Jane, did we want to use your forecast?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
so we got
let's do it.
6, 3, here's 3, and here's the other 3.
Okay.
So right now we're using Jane's
Got
forecast.
Washington. And I think probably should put the blues on the top. And then, do you think the? I honestly have no idea which. Okay, I think I have this one here.
Yeah, well, we'll be taking 3 at a time, so.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, Instant Bowl will be on your space, so
Okay.
let's go with that.
Okay.
Okay. And now.
All right, so we have Washington,
Okay.
which means no cubes, and Chicago, which is no cubes, and Istanbul, which I just cleared off, so it was okay.
Alright.
Well,
Okay,
cure
well,
black.
Cure black. Cure black. Okay.
Black
so,
is cured.
Black is cured. So here's the hard part. I can move you forward. That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we could eradicate yellow.
Which would be nice.
But because I can't actually get to that disease over there to do anything about it. Except
Yeah.
for maybe Manila. I could get to Manila. 2, 3, 4.
Don't forget you can move Maman.
Yeah, I can.
You've only done one action.
Yeah,
You
I
could
think-
get Maman over to.
I'm gonna move you.
Go for it.
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So that way we could
We have eradicated yellow.
eradicate yellow.
And we will just shut that to remind us that it's eradicated.
Yeah, this might be a really bad idea.
I
Okay.
actually
So
have.
Miami and Chicago.
Okay.
So okay, and then 3 of those.
Istanbul,
Istanbul
It's this guy right
is
there.
here.
Washington,
Which is great.
and Chicago.
Okay,
So that
okay.
wasn't
Nice.
bad.
So
I was
we're good.
thinking you could use your Atlanta card to get over here. If you get to Sydney, I can come over to you
Okay.
and give you the rest ready.
That's actually a really good idea. I'm going to use Atlanta to fly to Atlanta. And then I am going to.
You could go to the research station.
You
I know,
do that?
that's what I was going to do.
Oh, I
So you can fly from research station to research station. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come over here. So that was 2, right?
2 actions.
1, 2. Okay. And then
You could.
I'm going to
get
come here
ones.
and do 3, and then
Yeah.
I'll use this for 4.
Nice.
You actually don't have to spend anything because.
Oh,
we
you're
have
right, you're
one.
right.
So you
Oh.
actually remove this
Yes.
cube when you move.
So
the
actually
next.
instead, so I moved here. So that's 1. Moved here, that's 2. Moved here, that's 3. And then I
And then
moved
there
here,
for
and then
4.
that's 4.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Paris. And oh, I got Bangkok.
Okay, she has all 5, so we can cure
We
it.
just have to hold out till my next turn.
Okay.
Okay, so 5, 6. I have to get rid of one. I'll get rid of Paris.
Okay.
All right.
3 cards.
Hong Kong.
Okay, Hong
Okay.
Kong is
Oh, just don't draw.
here.
And Buenos Aires.
Okay, we don't
So
have
that
to
one's
worry
good.
about that, so-
And Manila,
Which
which is
is
an outbreak.
balance.
Oh no, it's a double outbreak.
Okay, well there's gonna be one in San Francisco.
Okay.
There's gonna be one in Sydney, Ho Chi Minh City, and here.
Taipei
And
and
this-
Hong Kong,
We'll
which
go here, here,
Yeah,
here.
but it's a second outbreak, so it moves us
Here, here.
to the losing.
oh no, we're so close to winning. Oh man, that was really close.
We have lost.
We have lost. Yeah, we were close though. We just
Very
had to make
close.
it out.
We've never had that many outbreaks happen. Usually we
Yeah.
lose by running out of time or out of cubes, but this is
Yeah.
Very
outbreaks that are well
difficult game to win.
It is, but it was so much fun playing.
Yeah.
It was a
Yes.
really exciting game. Well, we had a lot of fun playing. We hope you had a lot of fun watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye.